Hi guys, today I want to introduce Makita 5402 circular saw. This is the biggest portable ever, the lightweight in its class for maximum control, smooth cutting at high rotational speed at 2200 RPM. Bevel cuts 0 degree to 45 degree for the most common cutting applications. Handy guide rule allows operator to do extra accurate straight cuts. The blade diameter is 415 mm. The max cutting capacity for 90 degree is 157 mm. For 45 degree is 106 mm. The overall length for this machine will be 615 mm. The net weight is 12.9 kg and the power supply cord is 5 meter. The standard equipment will be combination saw blade, hex wrench and rib fence. Note that the blade is rotating anti-clockwise.